tired of getting out of your vehicle just to open your gate, especially in bad weather or late at night? If you're looking for a fast, quiet, and reliable automatic gate opener that doesn't cost a fortune, you're going to want to check this out. In this video, I'm reviewing the Ghost Controls Heavy-Duty Automatic Gate Opener, model TSS1. If you've got a chain link, decorative, or tube-style gate, this might just be the upgrade your property needs. So let's get into it. Build quality and compatibility. First off, let's talk about what it's made for. The TSS1 is built for single-swing gates up to 20 feet long or 900 pounds, which makes it a great fit for most residential properties. It's compatible with a wide variety of gate types: chain link, tube, plantation, decorative, and even includes round post adapter brackets for tube-style gates right in the box. What's in the box? In the kit, you get a single gate operator arm with a 6-foot cable, a weather-resistant control box, a 3-button remote transmitter, a C transformer, battery harness, mounting brackets, and all the standard installation hardware. One thing to keep in mind, you'll need a 12-volt deep-cycle marine battery for operation and 16-gauge wire for extended power runs, which aren't included. Performance. Now let's talk about performance. It's also UL 325 certified, which adds a layer of safety, especially if you've got kids or pets running around the property. While it works great with standard power, it's smart ready. You can upgrade to Ghost Multi-Connect to control it remotely and even convert it to solar power using an additional 10-watt solar panel. Installation. Installation is pretty DIY friendly. If your gate hangs level and swings freely, you're good to go. Ghost Controls recommends mounting it to 6x6 wood posts, 4x4 steel posts, or 3-inch round steel posts. The included instructions are straightforward, and there are YouTube tutorials out there that walk you through it step by step. Just be sure to have your battery ready ahead of time. Pros and cons. Pros: smooth and quiet operation. Works with various gate types. DIY installation friendly. Smart and solar-ready options. UL 325 safety certified. Cons: 12-volt battery and wiring not included. Add-ons like solar or Wi-Fi control sold separately. Limited to single-swing gates only. So is the Ghost Controls TSS1 worth it? If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-install automatic gate opener that's quiet, durable, and upgradable, this one is hard to beat, especially for homeowners with single-swing gates. Just make sure to factor in the extra battery and wiring during setup. And if you want remote control from your phone, the Multi-Connect is a solid add-on. Check the link in description for updated pricing to the accessories I mentioned in the video. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest tool and tech reviews.